So today, hold on. How am I gonna do this? Okay. Today, we're gonna be working on this 1983 Ford Econoline. Yeah, these things are tricky to get out. We basically want to remove the spark plug, and in order to do so, we need to remove those cables. This one right here that goes straight into the spark plug and into this distributor. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it from here, but we've already taken that off. We're working on this 351 engine. We've been trying to make it work for the past few weeks without any success. Hasn't been working for a couple of reasons. It's a very old engine. It's hasn't been in use for a very long time. That when we went to go see the car, it was missing the heads, the carburetor, and that wasn't really good. It worked out. It worked out, but my dad's now missing a hand.